How do you use the HeatpressUSA hydraulic heat press machine? Before operating the machine, make sure it is placed on a stable surface and that the pressing area is clear. The heating plate becomes extremely hot, so keep your hands away from the platen during operation. First, turn on the machine and go to the control panel. Allow the heating plate to reach the selected temperature before beginning production. This HeatpressUSA model also includes a laser alignment system to help you position designs accurately and consistently. To activate the laser alignment system, plug its power cord into the built-in outlet located on the back of the machine. If the garment is wrinkled or contains excess moisture, you can pre-press it briefly before placing the design. Next, place your garment flat on the lower platen. Now position your DTF transfer or heat transfer vinyl design on the garment. Use the laser alignment guides to check that the design is straight, centered, and placed at the correct height. Accurate alignment is especially useful when pressing multiple shirts with the same design, because it helps keep placement consistent from one garment to the next. Once the garment and transfer are ready, slide the working table under the heating plate. When the table reaches the pressing position, the machine automatically begins the pressing cycle. The self-contained hydraulic system applies strong and even pressure across the full platen without requiring an external air compressor. During the pressing cycle, the timer counts down automatically. When the timer reaches 0, the press releases. Carefully slide the table back into the loading position. Remove the transfer film according to the instructions for your material. Depending on the transfer, it may require a hot peel, warm peel, or cold peel. Some transfers may also require a second press, so always follow the application instructions supplied with your specific transfer. While one garment is being pressed, the dual platen design allows you to prepare the next garment on the second platen. This helps create a smoother workflow for print shops handling multiple apparel orders. With adjustable temperature and time settings, laser alignment, dual platen operation, and self-contained hydraulic pressure, the HeatpressUSA hydraulic heat press machine supports accurate placement and repeatable apparel production.